Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Virus. I am Subham Christy. In this session, we will do some modification to our graph. First, read our CSV file. Write A is equals to read dot CSV. Now, write file name here. Write here header is equals to true. Right here save is equals to comma. Now print A, run it. This is our file. Now write plot, pass here A dollar row, run it. See, now write here one more column, marks. Now run it. See, write main is equals to plot. See, plot is the name of this graph. Now give the name to x-axis. Write xlab is equals to roll. Run it. See here, roll. Give name to y-axis. Write ylab is equals to marks. Run it. See here, marks. Now if you want to make this vertical, then write LAS is equals to 1. Run it. See, the number is now its real position or real form. Write here CEX is equals to 2 for increase the size of dot. Run it. See here, the size of dot has increased now. We already learned about this. Now see some extra feature. If we want to increase the size of this main, means the name of graph, then write here CEX dot main is equals to 2. Now run. See, the size of plot has increased now. If we want to increase the size of roll and marks, then write CEX dot LAB is equals to 2. Run it. See, the size of roll and mark have increased now. Now you can also increase the size of this number and this number. Write CEX dot axis is equals to 2. Run it. See, do it 1.5. Run it. Yes, now it is right. Okay, we can also change the font. For change font of main, write font dot main is equals to 3. See here, the font of main has changed now. Okay, now change the font of this roll and marks. Write font dot lab is equals to 4. See, yes, the font of marks and roll have changed now. Now change the font of this number. Right here font dot axis is equals to 3. See, the font of this number have also changed. Okay. Now change the color of main. Right here call dot main is equals to 3. Run it. See, the color of main has changed now. We can also change the color of roll and marks. Right here call dot lab is equals to 5. Run it. See, the color of roll and marks have changed. Now change the color of numbers. Right here call dot axis is equals to 4. Run it. See, the color of these number have changed. Now we can also change the shape from dot to other. Right here PSH and pass 3. Run it. Sorry, right here PCH. Run it. Yes, see, the symbol has changed now. Okay. Now see, make a graph. Sorry, clear this. Make a graph for marks. Write bar plot and pass $, marks. Run it. See, the output is a bar graph. Now make another graph of age. Bar plot and pass here $, age. Run it. See, at a time only one graph is present in output, either this graph or this graph. Okay. But if we want to see both graphs at same time, then we can also do this. Write here a function par and pass here mfrow is equals to c and write here first number graph and second number graph. Using par function with mfrow, we can divide our output section in and print more than one graph in same time. Now run it. Okay. Run it and run it. See, we have two graphs in output at same time. Friend, in this session we learned more about graph. For any doubt, please knock me on comment section. Thank you.